Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. So in this shortest video, I will throw the continuity property of Ito integral. Continuity property. So there is a nice theorem. It says that let f be square integrable adapted process. In other words, it is coming from this space, then the stochastic process defined by x of t equal to t of f of s dbs. So this is like, it is also depending on omega, but I'm not writing omega. Sometimes people write just f of s, so it is, you know, the random. So just don't think that it is just only depending on s. It is also depending on omega. I'm not writing, this is just the notation. So this process that is defined by this, for of course a less than t less than b, is continuous. Namely, almost all paths, almost all of its sample paths are continuous functions on the interval 0a to b. So we know that you know, for any stochastic process it has sample paths. We have already seen previously. So this says that as a function, all those paths are continuous for this process. In other words, this process is continuous in time. Thank you.